In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account in Quotex. Now, if you've decided to stop trading or you simply want to close your account permanently, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click the account section. Before deleting your account, it's very important to withdraw all your remaining balance, close any active trades, or check any pending for withdrawals. Because once your account is deleted, you may lose access permanently, so make sure everything is settled first, okay? Once you've done that, I want you to go to the My Account tab and look for the option that says Delete My Account, which can be found here. If you click on it, there is like a small warning. I need you to read and understand all the information. And once you are sure, all you have to do is click the request deletion. To delete your account, follow the link in the email sent to the email address that you have provided, which is going to be this one. Click the link. This will forward you to another page. And as you may notice, the account was successfully deleted. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can delete your account in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.